Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to take a picture particular data in your Excel worksheet document. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is the Excel worksheet example document and I would like to take a picture on this particular data. For this I have to add a quick access area camera. So if you want to add a quick access area camera in this section, just right click over there and you will find custom quick access toolbar, and then you will see a new screen appear. Here just click on all comment and then try to find out the camera. So this is the camera, you see. Just simply select this and click on add and it will appear here, and then click on OK. Now you will see here is a camera icon is added. Now wherever which particular data you like to take a picture, just select those data and then click on this camera icon, and now you can put your cursor anywhere and it will paste over there. Now you can see just now I select this data and now the picture is appear here. If you would like to convert this data as a JPEG or PNG, for that just in your keyboard Ctrl+C copy this and then go on home, and then here you will find paste special, and then you can here choose paste as PNG or JPEG and then click on OK. Now you will notice that data is appear here. You can just move around, you will see the data, and now you can anytime copy this and paste anywhere. So this is how you can copy any data in Microsoft Excel worksheet with JPEG or image format. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.